here's my hamster Alex. She's a Syrian hamster, and I would recommend Carefresh for them. You need at least 450 square inches of space for them. Oh, don't worry. And the neat thing about them is, well, they all are in the same family. Because in 1939, they thought they were extinct, but they found a pregnant mother. So then they brought it into captivity in a zoo, and then they domesticated them in 1950s when they had been populated again from that exact same mother. And this day there are none in the wild that have been found that do not share the exact same ancestry, except from that mother. So they're actually all in the same family. Oh, it's okay, baby. It's okay. I know it's your bedtime, but oh well. It'll just be a few minutes longer. Ah, cute little stretch, Alex. And as you can see, she is very flexible and pretty dang strong, especially for her size. Hi. Hi there, Alex. Oh, it's okay. Okay, and I'm going to put her up now. There, get some rest. And as you can see, here's our cage. It is 457 square inches, is barely above the minimum. But we did get her 4 cages before this, and she chewed through all of them. And here's her wheel. It's an 8.5 inch, and here's her 12-inch wheel. As you can see, size comparison. Oh wait, there we go. Size comparison. It rolls very well, but I had to get her a new one because this one doesn't fit. And there's Alex. And here's our 13-inch bowl that broke. As you can see right there. So I use it for her food because she'll get out about every week and tear into her food and mess it up. So I just put it in here so she can't get to it and not make a mess. That's just her digging. And now let's see what else. Here's the first cage we got her. It's all folded up right now. It was actually a guinea pig cage, but she could slip right out of the bars. And I would recommend Carefresh bedding for them. Although I would recommend them for older kids because they do tend to get nippy. And yeah. Here's our food bowl. Food bowl. Here's her water bowl. Crap. Come on. Don't be a butthole. And here's an Alex. There, girl. Now you may go and have some sleep. Now, shoo, you little rat. Oh yeah, and I also recommend Aspen. And if you can see over there, I have some wood over there because she likes chewing holes in it. As you can see right there. And now let's get on to the Beyblade battles. Today it's going to be Quetzalcoatl Q2 and, oh crap, Excalius X1. Now let's crap. And I've already done this video about 5 times, but I deleted it about every single time on accident. Or I messed up or something. So yeah. This is my 6th time doing this episode. Well, not episode, video. Big hits. Excalius bursted. Didn't have enough power. Almost halfway. Ooh, close. Oh yeah, 1 point. 0 points. And he just might burst him. Two points. 0 points. Crap, I messed up a little. Oh, Quetzalcoatl. Ooh. I know he bursted first, but I'll count that as a double burst. But you may count it however you like. Ooh, stayed him out and burst. But he hit the ground first. But then again, he bursted, so winner right here. Now it's going to be Excalius versus Madman Boris. As you can see, I slowed the tip down a bit. Well, quite a bit. Ah! The reason I'm launching Excalius first is because he has more stamina. Ooh, 1-1, stadium out. 1-1. Excalius has impact. Ooh, we have our winner, Minoboris. Takes the crown. And now it's Minoboris versus Quetzalcoatl. Good. Now I'll start that all over since I was looking at the battery percentage. And it's at 30, so we're good. Ooh. There they're both so close to bursting. But since he wins 1-0. Two points. 0 points. I'm gonna go until he gets bursted, but he's already won. So if you want to tune out, don't forget to subscribe, like, and all of that. But in case you want to see him burst him, just wait. Ah! That sucks. Ooh! How about we do that so it doesn't fly towards the laptop and almost break it? And that is it. He bursts Quetzalcoatl. Pretty dang far. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, no. He is the overall champion. Then comes him. Then he won last. Now, don't forget to subscribe and like again, and I'll be back.